Hey YouTube, today is Friday, July 6th, 2018. I was waiting on some packages from Dashman Delivery to get brought to my house. I don't even know what time it is right now, but I decided to just go to the leasing office to see where my packages are. They got them. I didn't get no notice whatsoever. They dropped those boxes off at the leasing office. So I had to go out 2 doors from my building, up the stairs, in the parking lot, down the stairs to the other parking lot, and through the other door to the leasing office. And asked, did I get a delivery? They didn't even know how many I got. They wrote down 7. I told them I was expecting 9 today. I thought that they were going to be small boxes that I could carry in my hand, one-handed. Nope. The boxes are bigger than my abdomen wide, and they're quite thick. They're wide and they're thick, and they're probably, 10 pounds each. And some of them don't even got my name on it. But this is for Dashman Delivery. And y'all just gonna send it to the leasing office, not with my name on it. Bigger than me boxes. The phone ringing now. I'll pick it up when I'm good and ready. I'm gonna show y'all. So that's the dude calling right now. Of course, I didn't answer it. Y'all gotta look at this. Let me see this. Turn some lights on around here. So, I'm 5'1.5". This stack of boxes gotta be at least 6 feet tall. Let me show you something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes. And they stack up around 6 feet tall. Some of them, most of them, don't even got my name on it. I took 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 trips to the leasing office just to bring all that here. 9 boxes. The last trip I picked up 3. We gonna have a talk. Okay, I just got off the phone with a person who I'm supposed to be in contact with through Dashman Delivery, and I explained the situation. Y'all can't be sending me boxes to my address without my name on it, cause I'm in a special type of apartment where they expect me to live here and only me. And he says to take the pictures of the box with the invoice and the content after that and upload them. So that's going to be like 18 pictures uploaded. And I'm using my good phone right here, right now. I'm going to transfer them to the PC, and then from the PC to my other phone, because I got internet on that one. And I hope I don't make a mistake and reduce my amount of internet I have, because I did pay for the cheapest data plan this month, because this month is tough for my money. And he said respond back by the chat section with my PayPal address so that they can send some type of money over to, I guess, make it easy or rebound the boxes to somebody else. Because I told them these boxes are big. I don't have a car. I'll see what happens. Okay, now this part 3. This me using my other phone. I wanted to take a video of me doing the actual work. Part 2. Part 2 is to take pictures of the box and the stuff inside the box, and then upload them, and then download the packing slips. So I've done like I think it's 3 boxes so far. I'm on number 4. You can just tell how bad this camera is on this phone. I got the good light on. I barely see myself. Yeah, it's dark. I'm not liking this. I'm gonna have to flip this camera, and I don't think I could do it while I'm inside camera mode, so I'll just pause it or stop. Okay. After all that trouble. I'm just gonna guess, let y'all see what I'm doing. I gotta take 6 photos. Oh my gosh. I'm over here one hand in each phone, just for the camera, just for the video. I can't say YouTube people don't be working. Fuck y'all. Then I gotta cut the thing open. doing some with one hand and another thing with another hand. I'm not trying to break nothing around here. It ain't mine to break. Gotta move all this stuff. Wonder if that's gonna work out some way, somehow. Don't look like it. It's just gonna be hanging there. Don't confuse myself. Come on now. So that's 4. Let me see. Okay, this gotta be part 4. That video cut without my control because the data space in the phone it maxed out. That's all. So I can't take pictures and do video at the same time with this phone. It should have more space, even though I'm deleting stuff. You're just gonna have to, I don't know, just deal with that. Okay, it's like part 6. And the Dashman guy, he got somebody he knows from the payment center to send over $80 through PayPal to me. And then I started researching on Amazon a type of box moving device. And I picked one, but they're trying to make me pay double the price of the item after I paid for it to get it shipped to me the same day or the next day. That's Amazon. And unless you're paying double the price, they're gonna hold your stuff for like 3 or 4 days, maybe 7. So I just went to Home Depot. Then I went and got a hand truck. Fools are running around upstairs for some reason. Door. Camera. So here's the hand truck thing. There's more boxes. can go on 4 wheels if I wanted it to, and the thingy comes out, it's got a pin on it. Anyways, I'm expecting like 4 or 5 more boxes today, but because of the tracking ID on it, I don't know when it's coming, and I also don't know if it's coming to this door. They might just bring it back to the leasing office once again. And I got like 2 options. Send these 2 boxes at once that are already ready with the packing slip, and then come back and check if more boxes are available, because it's Monday now. Or I could wait for those boxes to be here, take 6 photos of each of them, upload each of the photos, then download the packing slip and stack it on the hand truck, and then walk them up the street. I got straps too to hold it down, because there's a hill. Can't be going up a hill with who knows how many boxes and no strap, and every one of them is open like they're supposed to be. So I don't get no type of notice when boxes come to the leasing office. I just have to go down there and see. That's crazy though. Right now it's 12:27 a.m. on Monday, July 9th. And I guess we're just gonna see what happens next. Oh, the hand truck costed $50 and the straps costed $9. So the total was like $64 out of the 80.